What are the top skills any salesperson should have? Hey, my name is Rob Spence. I'm the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions, and today, unlike many days, I'm here to help you improve and increase your sales. Whether you're watching this as a business owner, whether you're watching as an entrepreneur, a salesperson, a sales manager, all I ever want in life is to see people that I work with and communicate increase their skills. So if you haven't yet dropped us a follow, dropped us a subscribed, dropped a like, stop what you're doing, do that now, and then we can carry on. So in this video, we're going to explore the top skills that make a really good salespeople. And these are the skills that I've kind of picked up on and learned from when I've been managing my sales teams from my employed life here within Paragon, but also the teams that I work with externally as clients as well. Of course, this is not, a be all and end all list. There's hundreds of skills a salesperson should have, but these are a few that sort of really are the cream of the crop, right? These are the ones that always spring to mind. So whether you are looking to get into sales, I'd say that these are the skills that you should work on, refine, and make sure you've got a good foundation of. If you're looking to recruit salespeople, once again, I'd say look out for these skills because everything else can be taught. So without further ado, let's crack on. Now, the first tip is communication skills, and I'm not just talking about having the gift of this, the gift of the gab. Sure, salespeople over the years have sort of become known as being wafflers who have got the gift of the gab and they could sell ice to the Eskimos or whatever it is. And to an element, yes, you need people that are willing to communicate what they're thinking, what they're feeling, and sort of being able to communicate their inner thoughts. But communication is a two-way thing. Communication is listening and conversing. So make sure that when you're getting into sales that you remember those active listening skills as well. Make sure you're listening and active listening also. The second skill that you need is having knowledge of the product, service or solution as to whatever it is you're selling. And once again, this is quite a crucial skill set that can be taught and can be picked up on, but once again, that willingness to learn has to be there. If I go back to one of my previous roles as a sales manager, we rarely employed salespeople. We used to sell 5 food and ingredients to hotels, restaurants, kitchens, to TV, that kind of thing. And it's very rare we recruited salespeople. What we actually recruited and whom we actually recruited were chefs and people with knowledge from the industry, because they had a great knowledge on the offerings, on the food, on the products, and so on and so forth. The sales skills we could teach, but the great knowledge of the product that was so much easier to gain out of their experience than the other way around. The next thing you need to look out for is the skill of persuasion. A salesperson's job is to persuade someone to take the next action. Of course, normally that will be to close a sale and to have that individual become a customer. But sometimes it's also about persuading them to take that next step. So whether it's booking on for an appointment or booking on for a demo or agreeing to meet for a coffee, agreeing for a meeting, whatever it is, we've got to persuade that next step. Of course, another key crucial skill is negotiation. Negotiation, I can't even say negotiation, but I'd like to think I'm a good negotiationist. Is that a word? I don't know, drop a comment below. You need to be good at negotiation because negotiations, I can't even say it now, happen every single day. We've got to negotiate over price, over offering, over speed of delivery, over how it's delivered, all sorts. We've got to be willing and able to negotiate with our customers and our prospects to the best of our ability. As I said earlier, though all of those skills can be taught and trained and coached, but having that base negotiation skill is crucial. And finally, I've already alluded to it earlier on, but I think one key skill that needs to be sort of highlighted again is that of listening, being able to listen. As we said earlier on during the communication skill, it's one thing being able to communicate your inner thoughts and your inner feelings in an inner piece, but it's listening to what your prospect and your customers telling you. Normally, the people that you're trying to sell to will tell you what they want, how they want it, why they want it, and how much they want to pay. If you can listen and ask the right questions, beg your pardon, then lo and behold, that sale becomes so much easier. So what do you think? Are these good skills? Are these common sense? Or have I missed some off that you think are crucial that salespeople should have? Drop me a comment below, would love to know your thoughts. And as I said at the start of this video, hit that subscribe, hit that follow. We're going to be sharing so much content with you over the coming weeks and months. In fact, we've got another, well, as I write this, we've got like another 50 videos to record, all of which will share great value support, tips, tricks and techniques. And I cannot wait for you to see those. If you ever need more hands-on support with your sales training, head on over to paragonsalessolutions.co.uk, where you'll find a number of resources, guides, training, online training that's going to help you out. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and until next time, all the best.